how to screenshot with your Infinix Hot smartphone, and I'll show you the two ways you can go about doing this. So the first one is the basic way in which we all know how to do this. You are going to press down on your power button and your volume down button here. You're going to hold those down together and quickly release it. So by doing this here, you're gonna get yourself a screenshot like this here. And I'll do it one more time. Volume down, power button, press it quickly and release it. Don't hold it. It's like this here, and you're gonna get this right there. Now that's one way to go about doing it. And the cool way now is if you take your three fingers, you're gonna take three fingers here like this, and you're gonna swipe down from the top area right underneath the camera area and release it halfway like this here, and you're gonna get yourself a screenshot, okay? So if you want a screenshot, you can do it with the physical keys or three fingers here, a quick swipe down like this here, and get yourself a screenshot just like that. And ladies and gentlemen, if this thing helped you out in any way, like and sub.